November 11, 2020, guys. Let's roll. Short 33.60. Tech is up on low volume pre-market, guys. It is bearish as hell. So all these stocks now are way off their highs, and they should be buying the hell out of them. They should be bidding the hell out of this market, but they're not. So there's definitely something brewing in the making here, and I'm going to show you, based on the 13 markets move calendar, that we're heading possibly into a crazy another 6 move today, which would make it a 3-6 moves in a row. And that could lead to a grand finale of a move 3 on freaking Monday. So get ready to rumble here. Peloton puts, P-T-O-N, Peloton. God damn it, short it. Puts at the open and any bounce. So if S&P 500 does not clear 33.65 by 154, expect to move 6, which means a solid crash on Monday. Now, temporarily, we got to pause on the old chart that we mentioned that was going to break lower. It did break lower to 36.60, which is about $1.50 from yesterday, which is huge when you're talking about gold prices, okay? And dollar, despite of actually having some reasons to drop yesterday, actually stalled right about 93 and refused to drop. So the story is still very much intact with what I explained yesterday on oil, DXY, and gold chart. And so pay very close attention to this, because this could be a really strong indication, but temporarily just on pause. At the time I'm recording this, nothing is really going on. So oil is, at 9 o'clock it just dropped, but now at like 9:10 it's bouncing. So guys, weird stuff going on here. We're still bearish as hell on BKNG. Couple of new trades. Peloton, CHWY. Guys, it's very simple. You just want to short the damn bounce. When these things bounces, guys, it's nothing different. Like Peloton, what is it? Okay, it doesn't matter what the hell it is. It's just another Zoom is what it is. So when you substitute the ticker PTON for ZM, and you look back and you see what ZM did, well, this is exactly what PTON is going to do. This is exactly what CHWY is going to do. All these favorites are no longer going to be favorites moving forward. And so it's important. This is the greatest chance to short the hell out of these damn things. PTON, CHWY, guys, this is the easiest trades. Just, they bounce. What do? You short them. Bounce, buy puts. Bounce, buy puts. Just don't buy puts on the damn dip. That's it. PTON, let's break down the charts real quick. Okay, divergence on the RSI. Okay, as price action moves higher, what does it do? Well, the RSI moves lower. Why? Why would that? What? Leonardo, can you explain this to me? Sure, I'll explain this to you. So basically, when this thing moves higher, the price action, RSI is moving lower because it is actually representing this situation where institutional investors are selling. They're like, damn it, I'd be an idiot not to sell it at 100. And so the regular retail investors are like, oh my God, look at Peloton. It is so fucking great. Look at it. It's just like Bitcoin. It looks so shiny to me. I like shiny things. Let me buy it. I think it's going to go to 200. That's exactly when institutional investors, they get you hyped up about a particular stock. And then they say, well, you know what? You're about to get fucked. And so that's what a regular retail investor is getting on Peloton today. They're getting fucking Pelotoned on it. Okay, but at 13 market moves, we know better than that to short the hell out of these damn things. So Peloton puts at the open. So this was a picture actually representing before the earnings announcement, right? So you can clearly see that the situation has changed quite a bit. So when we look back in May, when Peloton was breaking from like 35.40, look, the breakout happened on a substantial volume higher. Look at this volume from smaller to higher to higher. It's incredible volume trajectory on the positive side, meaning that institutional investors were bidding the hell out of it. We have a change in the volume situation characteristics because at this point, the day before earnings, when the stock was moving higher and the expectations clearly of higher earnings, institutional investors said, hell no, I'm going to take my chips off the table right here. With that, it's followed by a MACD negative, basically what we call a death hook, guys. Death hook, I mean, I know it don't even sound good, so don't expect anything good to happen with the price of the stock. When a death hook is forming. Damn right, they're coming for it. That dev hook is going to kill this thing today. And especially when it's accompanied by accumulation distribution, that also looks like a freaking dev hook. Look, it sets a high and it drops off the day before earnings. Guess what's going to happen? Even if the earnings are totally freaking phenomenal, guess what's going to happen? They're going to sell this shit. Okay, now, interesting fact that yesterday, okay, the day before it reported earnings, look at the option chain incredible picture here. This is a Picasso. Okay, this is a Picasso. You can print this shit out and, I don't know, put it in your office, put it whatever you trade in, and this is a beautiful Picasso painting. Leonardo da Vinci painting, if you will. Okay, so they were selling the hell out of these calls yesterday before the stock went into the earnings announcement. And look, why wouldn't they? Okay, look at what the stuff was selling for. Okay, I mean, the stock was trading at 87 bucks going into the earnings, and they were selling like 10,000 calls at 100 strike, which was 13 bucks. So that's like 20% higher. They're selling 20% higher strike calls at like $2.70. That's like, you know, that's like getting kidnapped in the middle of a day. You know, not even in the third World War country, but like here in America. It's like getting kidnapped in the middle of the day here in America. Okay, that's what this represents right here. Okay, so they sold 10,000, almost 11,000 contracts at an insane freaking price. 20% over the, roughly 20% over the stock was trading. Guys, if this is not a sign that, okay, they're collecting gains, okay, I don't know what else is. So sometimes it really pays to take a look at the option chain and see what the hell is going on. So expect them to continue selling calls, and at some point this is going to reverse and they're going to start buying puts at an insane volume today after the open. So be ready for the shit. Okay, so right now pre-market, okay, PTON, and guys, I don't know, it's about, damn it, it's about 6:50, 7 in the morning right now. So PTON puts at the open or any bounce. So basically what we're noticing, so it reports earnings, shoots all the way down to 80.22. So this could be the floor for the day, but after that, bounce, 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 happy bounce, Peloton, let's go. Okay, hits the double top, triple top formation right here. So 99 bucks, pretty much going to be the top. We're not expecting the stock to shoot up. Okay, maybe it's going to touch 100 one more time, but after that, look, right now it's at 97. So it doesn't mean it's just going to drop off like right from here. We still got 2 hours, 30 minutes till they open. But what it could do, it could basically shoot up to 100 and then freaking drop and fall the fuck out. So that's how you make the money. You short the damn bounce. Like, let me draw this shit for you. I mean, I don't know. We explained multiple times. So this is the bounce. Okay, and let me change the color right here. And this is what fucking happens next. Okay, so don't be blinded by this bullish move, right? Bullish move. It looks bullish. Let me use a brighter color right here. This is bullish. So when you wake up and you look, oh, Peloton, it looks bullish, okay? Stop being an idiot, okay? Grab your balls and short it right here, and then collect the profits when the stock drops, okay? That is what shorting the bounce is, and some bounces are greater than the others, and we think this one is just as good as Zoom or any other bounce that we've identified over the course of the last few months. Guys, it's been a very easy, simple pattern to follow. So, with that said, next market move for today, 2611. Leonardo, you said the market was going to gap down. Yes, I said the market was going to gap down if VIX was going to finish above 30. VIX finished like, what, 29.7. So if you listen carefully to the video yesterday, guys, clearly you would have not kept a big position overnight, if any. So right now, what makes sense in this market is this, focus. We're projecting to move 6 for today, okay? Yesterday was a move 2 with a 6 behavior, which was absolutely beautiful. But notice this. It was a 7 with a 6 behavior, 2 with a 6 behavior. Today could be just a pure straight up 6, okay? This is like, I don't know, what can you describe this at? You know, recently I watched this movie with Johnny Depp. Remember back in the 80s when they were transporting cocaine from like Colombia and Mexico? Awesome movie, love it. But basically, This is a 666 formation. It's as good as transporting cocaine from Colombia back in the 80s. This is how good this fucking move is. Okay, so that indicates that you're gonna be all green. If you understand what the hell is a move 3, you're gonna make a ton of freaking money Monday. Congratulations. That's what you're gonna do if you know the 13 market moves. You're going to collect some serious major dough on Monday. Get ready for it. So market complacency. Okay, everybody's still freaking complacent. Everybody thinks, hey, the show's going to go on while the show is about to freaking unwind. So yesterday was a move 2 with a 6 behavior. This is how it looks. Overall, bounce, drop, bounce, drop, bounce, drop. Okay. And this is the characteristic of a 6 behavior, which is a drop between 2 and 4 p.m., which was predicted in the daily video yesterday. If you take advantage of that, you definitely made some clear fucking money here. Congratulations. 2-day sequence 7-2. This is what you got. Whoa. What are all these numbers? Leo. Hold on. So it's a 7. We'll get a sell-off on huge volume at the end of the day, which is a characteristic and a behavioral pattern of a 6. Then you got a 2 that's followed by the same type of sell-off between 2 and 4 p.m. yesterday. So you get a 6 behavior that is likely to translate into a move 6, okay, irrespective of where we're open slightly higher today. Now, overall, what is it? On a 48-hour time frame, it is a grand move 11. When you see 6s and 11s, guys, you know what the hell to do. There's only one thing to do, and that is to short the bounce. 5-day sequence 3-2-3-7-2, and basically it means again just short the damn bounce. Retest of 38 likely on the VIX at some point in the next 48 to 72 hours. So get ready, VIX. Finish high on the prior day again, so pay close attention. This is what VIX is doing pre-market. Actually, I took this picture a couple hours ago, so about 4:45 a.m. That is what VIX was doing. Solid uptrend despite of this gap down. Typically, we see when VIX actually gaps down, expect a favorable move higher. That is just the trend pattern characteristic of the VIX. For example, you can clearly see where VIX gaps down right here, hits a low, but then guess what? It goes higher for quite some time, a number of hours after that. Guys, with that said, trade like a rock star. If you haven't taken every freaking course we got, make sure you do, because over the next 90 days, you have an opportunity of a lifetime, and I don't want you to freaking miss it. So if you haven't scheduled recently a 20-minute coaching call, make sure you do so. Get all your questions answered. Let's go make it an awesome Friday. Let's roll.